How's it, aloha gang? Today on HINow, we're back at City Mill and we're going over a stone tile installation. City Mill has got something really exclusive going on with a local company. Tell us about that.
Yeah, AspecTile is one of the lines that we got from Pono Stone. They are a Kamaina company. Commercial grade quality stuff that they gave us to City Mill exclusively for the DIY market.
So this is authentic, real deal stuff that you can do in your home, in your office, in your business. What are we looking at over here first?
Right here we got ceramic tile. This is wall tile exclusively. You don't want to put this on the floor. This is really great tile. You can set it up in many different patterns. Really great stuff. You can see it in the bathroom, on the walls, or like a backsplash in the kitchen, yeah.
Now this one is porcelain. It's a mosaic,
correct.
Is that correct?
This is mosaic porcelain tile. They come with a mesh back. That way you can put a bunch up at a time. This is great stuff. You could use this on both the floor and the wall. So it's really versatile stuff. You would usually see this from the wall of your bathroom all the way down to the floor.
Now this is floor tile.
This right here, this is porcelain tile. Same thing as with the mosaic tile. You can use this on the floor and the wall. That way you have one flowing piece going up the wall. In
order to put the tile in, you're gonna need various different products. You guys also have that available at City Mill.
Yes, we do. First off, let's say you need to cut some of the porcelain or the ceramic. We got a tile cutter here to do that. It makes it very quick work of it. For the wall tiles, you want to use something like this Acryl Pro here. You use this, you put this on the wall with a notch trowel just like this one here. It allows you to make beautiful notches, allows you to put the tiles up evenly.
So before that tile hits the wall or the floor, this acrylic.
Now for the floor, you would use a thin set, very similar to like a concrete mix without the gravel. Just have a good idea in mind. We have a good selection of tile as you see here, and we'll be happy to help you.
Brought to you by City Mill.